You ever have that amazing, epic idea for a video, but then reality hits? You don't have the budget, the crew, or maybe even the skills to pull it off? Well, that whole equation might be changing. Welcome to The Explainer, where today we are diving deep into Google's absolutely massive update to its AI filmmaking tools. All right, so here's the plan. We're going to kick things off with a problem every single creator faces. Then we'll meet the AI tools that are trying to solve it. After that, we'll look at the huge new engine upgrade, see what it can actually do, and then talk about what all this means for your next big idea. So first, let's just get on the same page and talk about this universal struggle for pretty much anyone making videos. Yeah, we've all been there, right? You have this incredible vision swirling around in your head. It's a masterpiece. But then you think about the budget, the gear, the locations, and it all just comes crashing down. That huge gap between your idea and what's actually possible, that's where so many great stories just fizzle. Okay, so let's talk about the solution. Google is basically trying to build a bridge right over that creative gap. And their answer has two parts, Flow and VEO. And people are using it a lot. In just 5 months since it launched, creators have made over 275 million videos with this tech. I mean, that is just a staggering number. It's not a small trend, it's a tidal wave. So let's break this down real simple. Think of Flow as your creative studio. It's your director's chair, your editing suite, all of it, right in one place. And VEO is the brain. It's the powerful AI model inside Flow that actually does the heavy lifting, turning your ideas into video. Okay, now for the main event. That engine, VEO, just got a serious power-up. We're talking about VEO 3.1. And look, this isn't just some minor update. This is a direct answer to what creators have been asking for. People wanted more control, more ways to fine-tune the final shot, and it really seems like Google was listening. So what does it actually get you? Well, you're getting richer audio that the AI generates itself. You're getting way more control over the story you're trying to tell. The realism and the textures have been kicked up a major notch. And maybe the most important thing, it actually understands your prompts better. So what you ask for is way closer to what you end up getting. All right, let's get our hands dirty and see what these new tools inside of Flow can actually do. This is where it gets fun. First up is this super clever feature called Ingredients to Video. And yeah, it's all about giving you pinpoint control over the look and feel of your scene. Think of yourself as a chef. You give the AI your ingredients. These are just reference images for your characters, your props, the overall style you're going for. Then Flow takes all of that and just cooks up a scene that matches what you had in your head. It's pretty incredible. Next up, let's talk about a problem we've all had. You get the perfect shot, but it's only 5 seconds long, and you really need it to be 20 to set the mood. So what do? Well, that's what the Extend feature is built for. The AI literally looks at the last second of your clip, figures out what's going on, and then just keeps the action going, perfectly, seamlessly. You can turn these tiny clips into long, beautiful, flowing shots that go for over a minute. And this right here, this really sums up the whole thing, doesn't it? The old way was fighting with complex software, maybe even paying for expensive reshoots. The new way? You type a few words into a box, you make creative changes in seconds, not hours. It's a total game changer. Okay, what about adding something new into a video that you've already made? This is where things start to feel a little bit like magic. So with the Insert feature, you can just select an area in your shot, describe what you want to put there, and bam, Flow drops it in. But the critical part is that it doesn't just paste it on top. It matches the lighting, the shadows, everything to make it look like it was really there when you filmed it. And, of course, if you can add things, you've got to be able to take them away. And that's exactly what's coming soon with a new Remove feature. The way this will work is pretty wild. You'll just select an object or a person you don't want, and Flow will erase them. But it doesn't leave a hole, it actually reconstructs the background, essentially painting in what should have been there. Think of how many shots this could save. So when you put it all together, adding, removing, extending, styling, what does this actually mean for you, the storyteller? What's the big picture here? This quote from Google really nails it. This isn't just about cool new tech tricks. It's about opening the door to new kinds of stories, richer, more powerful stories that you can now tell right inside this one tool. What this all means is that you're not just getting a new piece of software. You're basically getting an AI co-director. It's a collaborator that's ready to work with you, to brainstorm, and to help bring your absolute wildest ideas to life. So as we wrap this up, the big takeaway is this. That gap we talked about, the one between your imagination and the final video, it's shrinking fast. The question is no longer, can you make your vision a reality? The question is now, what vision will you create?